Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to log in into your router using its default IP address, that is 192.168.1.1. So this IP is mostly used by Netgear, Linksys, D-Link, TP-Link, Asus, etc. routers. So once you are logged into the router, then you will be able to change its Wi-Fi password, its Wi-Fi SSID, or make any other desired changes that you want. So for this, first connect your phone or computer to your router's network Wi-Fi. If it asks for password, then type the one that you used during the setup, or else try the default password written on the back sticker of the router. Once connected, open a browser and into the URL type 192.168.1.1 and hit enter. Now you will be able to get to the login window only if you type it into the URL or address bar. If you type it into the search bar, then it will show you search results. Next, on the login window, type the username and password that you used during setup of this router, or if this is the first time for you to log in into the router, then use the default username and password. On your screen, you will see the default username and password of most common routers. You can pause the video and check for yours. And if you can't recall the details, then check if your router provides you a forgot username or password option to retrieve the details. If not, then only option is to reset the router, but be cautious while resetting the router as you will have to set it up again, plus you will have to connect all your devices back again to the router. So to reset the router, put a paper clip inside the reset hole for around 10 seconds while the router is plugged into the wall. After 10 seconds, release the pin and let the router reboot. Next, you will have to set up the router again from scratch. You can watch videos on our channel on how to do it. Finally, if you found the video useful, then please do like and subscribe to support my channel. Also, you guys can hire me for any technical issue related to router, extender, printer, camera, or any other Wi-Fi devices. So you simply just need to email me on fixallissues07@gmail.com along with your issue, and I'll fix it for you on nominal charges. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.